here, Maya. It's Maya with the hiccups on the changing table. Poor Maya. Oh.
Come on, turn around.
Poor Maya's the hiccups. There. Go for a walk.